Hey everybody, what's going on? I hope you're all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get money from Instagram. So let's get right into it. Go ahead and tap on your profile icon. Once you're there, tap on the menu icon in the top right corner. Now, tap on Professional Dashboard. This option is available only if you're using a creator or business account. Next, scroll down and tap on Set up Payout Account. Alternatively, you can access it through Settings, Business Creator, Monetization, Payouts. If prompted, log in using your Facebook account to continue. After that, you'll be guided through the payout setup process. In this video, I'm selecting PayPal as my payout method. Just follow the prompts, link your PayPal account, and once you're done, your payout method will be successfully set up. Once everything is in place, your ad revenue from Instagram will be deposited directly into your linked payout account. As far as I know, there's no need to manually withdraw. It happens automatically when the payment is processed. And that's pretty much all you need to do. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.